Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite some bit of time, but we're back. I got a whole new setup. I got a little studio set up in my basement, my own recording space. I obviously have some new equipment. I have a new microphone, which I'll post a link down in the description where I got it from, Amazon. There's our old setup there. That's how I used to start my videos and end my videos, is that I'd always be in my garage. But now we have an unfinished basement, so we decided to convert a little bit of space in our basement over to give me a recording studio. This is me coming back to the YouTube world after a very long hiatus, which I owe you guys an apology, so I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. But, you know, so I've been working on a couple different projects, and that's a video for another time. But for now, we got a trip to Ikea. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. I'll catch you guys at the back side of it. See you then.
Okay.
Hi, Pepe. What are we doing today, buddy?
We're at Ikea to look for bigger beds.
So this is an idea for a bed for our room.
It sounds
It's pull out
cool.
and a put away. Yeah, that's a definite no. I was looking at this like that's one weird headboard. Oh man. Oh, I see the bed.
How do you think of this one?
This is nice. I like this.
It's only $2.19.
I believe me, your mom had one like this before. This one? That was the one I saw.
Look,
Have you come to see your brother? There's nothing that's holding the mattress in place. It's just sit.
that's a nice
I
bed.
like this.
It says expensive. $2.59.
Okay, so we did research online, and what I saw looked really nice online and in stores. Yeah, it's not practical to what we like. So we're looking for a low bed. I like the headboard thing that we were kind of looking at, but it's just not gonna work. One of the beds actually sat directly on it, and there was no place for the mattress to hold, so our kids could just push our bed off. So we're still on the hunt. So mommy likes this one.
Should we just get a smaller bed?
We're also looking for no.
Yes.
No.
No, because mattresses are great.
We're also looking for a low standing bed frame. So this is one she says she likes. I like it. Doesn't have a headboard. I don't know.
Oh my God, we know the best part about this.
So what the fuck is that?
Moves the desk down and up.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do it.
Then, okay.
That's cool. That is pretty cool. Mm-hmm. We're switching parts.
I think you got dirty socks.
Those are brand new socks. How'd they get so dirty? How big? Huh?
I don't understand how they did. Look at her feet.
Good socks. Brand new. Just put them on in the
You know what? She probably let them outside with no shoes
Most
on.
likely.
I'm almost certain.
Big
she
sister
did.
let little baby outside. Huh. And we are downstairs in the kitchen gadgets. Slash utensils, slash a lot of stuff.
Mom needs her stuff.
Yes, she does. Who doesn't need a wooden spoon? If you know, you know.
She said they don't have them.
Yeah, they don't have them.
Man, you say like that. You're naughty. You are naughty.
Just fucked up. Ooh.
That was my shots.
Flawless victory.
So we're about to get to my favorite part, which is like the bed section. They got some of the best, I don't know, blankets filled with feathers. And like funny story is like, I had one that I got like super cheap. It was like $40 for a king size. And we had a husky named Kaika. And he had an upset stomach. And while we were sleeping in the bed, it was a white blanket. He pooped in the bed. True story. So like, they got all these blankets over here. And like, granted, this is like super thin. You put a duvet over this, and then it makes it, you know, like a decent blanket. That's hard. They kind of like dumbed down the selection from like back in the day, I guess. There's all duvets, different things you can put over your blankets. Here's 5. Yeah. What's up, baby?
You want to look at the glasses section?
Oh yeah. Going over to the as it is section. It's kind of a little bit of a flop of a trip. The internet is very, very misleading. Definitely looks better on the internet than in person. Do your research online. That's right, baby. You tell them. Do your research online. Go look at it in person. So the as is section is like some of the display models, some returns, some damaged stuff. Like this coffee table is only $14.99, and the original price is $34.99. Right? So, hey,
I had to push him around for a second.
what you do?
You like it?
I do.
Get it?
I'm buying a chair.
So, how do you feel about fighting again? How do you feel? So, we need to know pizza. Pizza.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our footage from the Ikea shopping trip. Like we said, it was very misleading. What we found on the internet definitely looked a lot better than what we actually saw in person. So we didn't get a bed, and it was actually kind of disappointing. But it is what it is. We keep hunting for the bed frame that we want, and we ended up buying a chair that needs a cover. We're gonna order a white cover and dye it, so we might get a video out of that. I don't know. Kind of depends. I'm still trying to get back into the YouTube world, but ladies and gentlemen, it feels really good to be back. I love it. The next video, I do believe we're going to go ahead and cover where I've been and what I've been working on, projects that are coming up, collaborations I got going on. I've been a busy man. So with that being said, guys, thank you again for watching the footage. Let's go ahead and leave out on a positive note. Always be you. Love as much as possible. Take care of yourselves, man. Tell somebody you love them today. See you guys on the next one. Peace.